IMO Ballast Water Management Convention and USCG regulations. Beginning in 2016 or soon after, there will be mandatory installation of BWMS even on existing vessels. You should not put off installing a BWMS on your existing vessels for much longer. What do you need to do to prepare for the ratification of the BWM Convention? Techcross is one of the leading companies in BWMS with many installation references from all over the world. Why do many ship owners and shipyards select Techcross? Small footprint and flexible installation. Currently, ship owners have to make some changes to the design of their ships in order to install a BWMS. This can translate into high cost and much time to install a new system. However, Techcross has been focusing on developing a BWMS with a small footprint while maintaining the same high performance to overtake the competition. Techcross's ECS has one of the smallest footprints in the market. The main components can all fit in an area the size of a single bed. Also, ECS consists of 4 main modular components, which can be installed in the limited space of most vessels. Techcross's ECS is one of the most innovative products in the BWMS industry. Installation of each component is possible even in small spaces regardless of vessel type due to the modular design. Economical maintenance. In addition to upfront capital expense, operational and maintenance costs need to be taken into consideration when selecting a BWMS. Techcross has developed one of the most economical BWMS through continuous R&D. Low power consumption. ECS is an effective one-time treatment system during ballasting operations only. As a result, the required power consumption is very low compared to other BWMSs. If high power consumption is required to operate a BWMS, an extra power generator may be needed as well. However, ECS requires only 17 kilowatt to treat 450 cubic meters per hour of ballast water. This is equivalent to running a small kitchen appliance like a coffee maker for only 1 day. ECS can be operated without the need for an extra power generator. Easy maintenance. ECS is easy to maintain as there are no moving parts, fine mesh filters, or UV lamps to worry about. The only consumable items for maintenance are the neutralizing agent and the reagent for the TRO sensor, which can be supplied worldwide for relatively low cost. One-stop total service. Techcross provides one-stop total service, the best pre-planning and engineering. Techcross provides the right solution to maximize space efficiency and minimize any future potential problems through onboard surveys conducted by skilled engineers with high-tech equipment, including the use of 3D scanners. Worldwide after-sales service network. Techcross's worldwide after-sales service partners will solve your problems regardless of time and location. Techcross provides high-quality service anytime, anywhere. Techcross has the most experience in terms of actual installation references and know-how. Which product is the best choice for your ship? It's up to you. Make the right choice. Techcross.